Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I'll try to explain how we can book a dummy ticket for our visa application. So let's start. Open your browser, just write here Qatar Airways. Open your Qatar Airways official website. As you know that when we are going to apply for visa application, we need a ticket. But we don't know that our application will be successful or not. For that reason, we need to book a dummy ticket. And after that, when you have a visa, then you can book your original ticket. So let's start how you can book your dummy ticket. This is the official website. You can click on return if you want. Otherwise, one-way ticket. Click on one-way. Select the city from where you want to book ticket and to where you want to go, and select the date and search flight. After that, you will see that you will have several options to book your flight. Okay, I like this flight, so I will click on this flight, and you can check which one you like. I want to book this one. Select ferry and click on continue, confirm. After that, you have to provide some basic information like information about passenger right here, title, male or female, first name, last name, and date of birth. For example, I will just select the random date. You can select your date, which one you like, okay, and select the nationality here and save and continue. After that, continue to contact details. After providing this information, you need to provide your email for some information, maybe your phone number here. Provide your phone number here, okay, and click on choose. If you want to choose a seat, you can choose, otherwise leave it, and review and pay. After that, you just click on continue as a guest. Now you can see this, my ticket is almost ready. You simply need to just simply control P, click on control P. As you can see, I have this page, and you need to just download the first page for your visa application. Click on save as PDF and select this option, and just select the page 1, okay, right, for page 1, and custom is a custom, and paper sheet 1, and save as. Click on save, and as you can see, Qatar Airways trip summaries, and click on save. As you can see, my ticket is already downloaded in my local system. As you can see, this is a ticket that I can use for my visa application. So it's quite simple that how you can book your ticket for your visa application. So it's quite simple. If you want to book ticket for your visa application, simply follow simple step. You don't need to provide your bank information, you don't need to provide anything, you don't need to pay anything, and just book your dummy ticket for your visa application. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.